Sorry about the glare. But for this one, in order to make the money pouch, which is basically what it is, you're going to need some money and you're going to need to measure the money. Now I can measure it, and most of the money is the same size. So this is running about 6 1/4 or 6 1/8 by 2 3/4. All right, so that's how much our money, what the measurement of our money is. So you're going to take this bag and you're going to do the same process as you did on the cosmetic bag, and you're going to flip it inside out. Now this is going to take a little bit more of your patience because it's a little tougher material. There we go. Now, for this bag, you're just going to take the piece that you have, and you're going to make sure you're on the side with the zipper. Because if you do this and you put your money on this side and you go ahead and sew, your zipper is not going to get caught in there. You have to have your zipper caught in there. So okay, take 2. I did it, and I did it with the zipper in the wrong spot, so we have to do it over. Good thing I didn't sew it. So you have your bag. I'm going to flip mine. Try that again. I'm going to take my money. I'm going to line it up here, right below the zipper, and I'm going to go about 1/4 of an inch beyond that, and I'm going to straighten it up with the sewing stitch line here on one of the straight lines of the ruler. Okay, and then I'm going to draw a line to about the 1 1/2 mark on this side. Okay, so this is measuring 7 1/4. All right, and then I'm going to take and I'm going to draw a line straight up here. So now, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. You're going to want to measure from this side to this side to make sure they're the same width across here. And we're going to do the same. I'm just cutting off my threads. We're going to do the same thing with this bag that we did with the cosmetic bag, and just use some pinking shears and cut the edges. Now, if you want to take yours and measure before you cut, go ahead. But I've made one before, so I think I'm pretty confident in not necessarily my ability, but and then I'm going to go ahead and make this one, cut this one with the shears too. You gotta use a little bit of force in there. Be careful. Okay, now we are back at our table with our money pouch, and what we're going to do is we're going to attempt to push this inside out. Remember how hard it was for us to push it the other way? What I'm going to do really quick though, I thought about it at the last minute, is I'm just going to snip these corners so they're at an angle, and that'll help just reduce the amount of bulk right there in our seam. Okay, we got 2 little pieces there. Alright, and so then you're going to take it and you're going to flip it inside out. Okay, that's good enough. And then you have your money pouch. in which we're gonna see if our dollar fits. Dun 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 dun. And it does.